Assalamualaikum guys. My name is Walid OMD Wala. Today we read Principles. I am with not we. I I am now. I will read Principles by Ray Dalio. Oh my God. This is the book. Okay. Oh, and it's an amazing book. And who is Ray Dalio? Ray Dalio is a um, billionaire hedge fund founder, one of the largest hedge fund uh, founder of Bridge. Where what's the name of that Bridge? Which I forget that. It is one of the largest hedge fund in the USA, I think. And he wrote this book, Principles by Ray Dalio. Here we will. And here is the principles of life and work, and all the knowledge, all the principles he has about life and work. He write in this book. Okay, and there's a few more books, I think, like Changing World Order, and I think few more. So this is like the crux of his life learnings, I think. I guess I'm right. And the mainly it is divided in two parts: the principles what's the principle, like he deduct the principles of life and work, and he wrote there. And he wrote in this book, like the principle, his principles, like the principle that he uses in his life and work. So this is the amazing book, very dense book. I think it's more than 500 pages book, and it's 567 pages. Okay, and now I am on the page number. You can say I'm on the page number 198. I am on the page number 198, and like I almost, I think I read 198 pages, 197 pages. So let's start that. And I will read as maximum as I can today, inshallah. And I will write, inshallah, my notes also. I'm a little bit lazy in that part by taking notes in after or during the books, but I will try. And digital, I will, I think Notion, I will write my notes on Notion. And physical, I don't prefer physical, I think, for now, or it's not my habit. Because I think it's take a lot of pages, and like pages or pages or pages, and it takes a lot of maybe notebooks. But for now, in phase of my life, I might not take a lot of physical notes, but it takes a lot of books, like notebooks. And I think it's affordable to write the notes on Notion. So I maybe prefer Notion and prefer digital. Let's see how it goes. So there is now as a part is, and I will go to the, let's, I will share screen as well. And I have a lot of ebooks, like I downloaded from the internet, Google. And this is, I have few physical books here. So inshallah, I maybe shift, or maybe read, not shift, but maybe read on digital. So because I have a lot of books, PDF basically. So now where is we? This is a Notion, and I will just write this principles by Ray Dalio, and then here we will write the notes. And maybe write the notes. I'm not sure. Let's see how it goes. Let's start. Not waste more, much more time. 3.6. Understand how you can become radical open-minded. No matter how open-minded, this is a book. Okay. and understand how you can become radically open-minded. No matter how open-minded you are now, it's something you can learn to practice open-mindedness. Regular use pain as you guide towards your quality reflection, and mental pain often comes from a being too very spoke. So mental pain often comes from being too attached to an idea where okay, where is my voice recording, what is recording camera audio and the phone and microphone. So yeah, so mental pain often comes from being too attached to idea when person or event comes along to challenge it. This is especially true when what is being pointed out to you involve a weakness on your part. This is especially comes from mental pain attached to idea person or event comes along to challenge. This is especially true when event is being pointed out to or even comes out to. This is especially true when being pointed out to involves a weakness on your part, and this kind of mental pain is clue that you're potentially wrong and that you need to think about the question in a positive way. To do this, first calm yourself down. It can be difficult. You will probably feel your anger kicking in through the testing you had tension in your body or emotion sense of annoyance, anger, irritability. Note these finding feelings when they arise in you by being aware of such signals of close-mindedness. You can use them as a cues to control your behavior and guide yourself towards open-mindedness. Doing this regularly will strengthen your ability to keep your highest level you in control, and the more you do it, the stronger you become. More these feelings arise in you by being aware of such signals, close-mindedness. You can use them to control behavior and guide you towards open-mindedness. Strengthen your ability to keep your high level in control. The more you do, stronger you will become. And wait. Let's try some different thing like where is my Gmail? So except on focus, I'm loading. I want to enter to the mobile as well. And this is a camera. I'm there. I'm backstage. Here is and yeah, move करते हैं. And then let's try. Give me some minute to me. Where is that? Oh,